Hello, I'm Michael Dennin, and welcome to what I'm calling the physics of X, where X is everything except politics. This series, my initial series, is going to focus on a combination of the physics of superheroes / pop culture / magic and the physics of what often is called religion or faith. Why would I put these two together? Well, when I talk about the physics of superheroes, magic, pop culture, this is really useful for distinguishing between what I call fundamental limits on what we can do versus technological limits. So it's a nice way to explore that. And also when you watch superheroes or you watch magic or anything in pop culture, some of it is real physics and some of it's not. And so discussing that helps you actually learn physics. So that part is fun. But why religion or faith? Now I don't like using the word physics of religion as much because religion is the organized sort of human activity around faith. Physics of faith comes closer to what I'm talking about, but it's not blind faith where you just believe things for believing. It's kind of the historical traditional meaning of faith, which is all about asking questions about reality, gathering evidence about reality, and really asking, is there more to reality than just physical reality? So I will use words like God occasionally, but really what I'm talking about here is how do we understand non-physical reality, that which is more than physical reality. If it exists at all, how can we even get evidence of it existing, and what its properties are? Just like science asks those questions about physical reality, we can ask those questions about the rest of reality and how those interact and how they go together. Now the challenge with non-physical reality is science doesn't work great there because it was designed to study physical reality. It is the way we measure things through our senses. The definition of physical reality is that which we interact with through our five senses: sight, touch, sound, taste, and sight, sound, smell, taste, and touch. There we go, our five senses. See, I knew I'd get there eventually. When we talk about physical reality, we also get to use the tools we've built in science to enhance our senses and how we explore physical reality. That's how we're able to build telescopes to look at the stars and microscopes and devices to look at subatomic particles and even smaller structures. What would you do to study non-physical reality? Well, for most of human history, that was through our experiences. And there's a reason experience and experiment come from the same root. And a lot of these experiences couldn't really be captured well in language because language is designed to discuss physical reality, the things we get at through our senses. So we invented art, we invented storytelling, we invented myths, way to talk about things that are hard to discuss in the concrete. And because stories are so powerful for exploring non-physical reality, this is why I'm going to focus this series on a wonderful book series that I love, The Harry Dresden Files by Jim Butcher. Now there's going to be spoilers in this, so if you watch these videos, pay attention, because if you haven't read the series, I'm talking about stuff that happens in the series. But through the story of a wizard in modern day Chicago who understands physics, we get some very interesting statements about both physics and the non-physical world. And so we'll have a lot of fun exploring these in the next 11 videos. So stay with me, have a lot of fun with the physics of X. This has been the physics of X, where X is everything but politics. Make sure you like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you get notifications of every episode coming weekly straight to you.